Exfoliating the skin reduces the appearance of blemishes and blackheads. And the benefits of making your own scrub is that you can be sure of all the ingredients and not worry about harsh chemicals. Hey guys, welcome back to Aroma Talks, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own body scrub at home using only 4 ingredients. And these are the things that you can easily find. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click on that subscribe button down below. Right beside it there is a bell icon. Also go ahead, click on it. You will be the first person to know whenever I upload new videos. So let's get started. We are going to be needing some aloe vera gel. Aloe as a natural moisturizer is very effective for sensitive skin because it moisturizes without clogging pores with oils. We're also going to use some white sugar. Sugar scrubs improves the blood flow to the surface of the skin and help remove dead cells. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and can also tighten open pores. Cucumbers have the ability to reduce swelling of the skin, and it also helps to turn your skin hale and healthy. Let's start by cutting our cucumber into small pieces and blend. After blending, put this aside. Go ahead, measure 1 cup of sugar. Put it into your bowl. I have a video where I made body scrub using both white and brown sugar and some other ingredients, so please check it out. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now add 1 tablespoon of blended cucumber. Cut your lemon into 2 pieces and add some lemon juice as well. Then mix everything well. So our scrub is ready. Look at this, guys. I love this. So using this on your face, your body is gonna make your body feel so smooth, so soft, glow, and it's gonna give you that shiny look. You know, it's going to open the pores, and believe me, you're gonna feel the change. So let's go ahead and store our scrub. I have this small messenger right here, but you can use anything you have on hand. So our scrub is ready, we're good to go, and yeah, that's it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.